Hey folks, today we're going to be doing 11.3A3, 11.4A3. This is area and circumference of a circle, and we got word problems here. Let's just put down a couple things here. First of all, we're using 3.14 for pi, and let's just put down our formula for area. It's pi r. Pi times the radius, and circumference is going to be equal to d pi, the diameter times pi. Go ahead and throw a little yellow on those. We'll make it very festive. If Sal Khan were here, he'd say, "Oh, let me do that in magenta." Sal Khan likes magenta. All right, I'm talking to myself again. Now I've got somebody listening to me talking to myself. All right, let's get started. We'll do this first one here. An architect is making a plan for a new circular playground. If the picture below is the playground, how much fencing needs to go up to keep the kids inside the circle? Nice, they're going to put the kids in a cage. Well, that's a circumference problem, so that's just going to be 64. We're going to use, diameter times pi. So 64, which would be the diameter, times 3.14. And I'll let you do the calculation on that one. And then you're going to round it to the nearest whole meter, or the nearest whole number. Let's take a look at another one here. This one always kind of confuses kids, so let's just take a look at it. The drawings above represent the tablecloths Margot is thinking about buying. She plans to sew a decorative fringe on the tablecloth. Okay, about how much fringe will she have to sew on the round tablecloth? Again, this is a circumference problem right up here. So we would have to take for the circle, I'll just draw a little circle here, we'd have to take the diameter times pi, so that's going to be 3.75, just convert it to a decimal, times pi. And then we could figure out what the border here is too. For the square, that's probably the next question. It is, number 6. So the square, I'll just slide down here. The square, that one would be 3.75. I'll just put, it's going to be 4 times 3.75. Because it's just a square. I mean, it's just the perimeter. We call it, not circumference. Okay? So, let's just estimate these. You can probably pretty much, it says about, so we could just call this, 4 times 3, which is 12. That's about it. So 3 times 4 equals 12. There's my work step down there. All right, and we're going to take a look at this one down here too, and we can answer it. About how much fringe will Margot need? Well, we could call that one, call this 4 times 4. You're going to need a little extra too. So it'll be 16 feet. There's your work step. All right, good luck. These are kind of fun problems. Just going to check and see if there's a second page here. There is. It's a 2-pager, and we'll do that in a separate video.